Chemical elements. Element details. See the most important images and properties of chemical elements. Grouping and sorting. Choose one of the many options to compare elements. Graph display. Switch to graph view to show elements in a different way. Insert into mozaBook. Place any image or text into your open publication.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Chemical Elements app. Click on any element in order to display its details. Click on this icon to switch between different description modes. Click on the arrow or somewhere on the panel to display an enlarged image of the chemical element. You can group elements by the criteria listed in the drop-down menu. Click here in order to switch to list view mode. Click on the header to order chemical elements by categories. Select the criteria from the available options by which elements should be sorted. Click on any chemical element in the list to highlight it. Scroll the list by dragging the scroll bar on the right-hand side or drag the list vertically. Click here in order to compare properties of chemical elements in a graph. You can select chemical elements by clicking on them. Click on the arrows to go to the previous or the next chemical element in the list. You can also insert images of chemical elements into mozaBook. To do so, simply drag and drop images into mozaBook. Visit our website for further information about our apps.